filming the trains at Hampstead Heath. There's no signage anywhere. Anyways, before we get into the video, welcome to the vlog. Harry's back with us. Just
Hello.
On his hand. Well, let's go to platform 1.
Platform 1 is that way.
And that's the Royal Free over there, isn't it? That tall building, isn't it? That's the Royal Free up there, isn't it?
Yep.
I thought so. Trains to Richmond and Clapham Junction.
We're just behind the back of the Royal Free Hospital,
which is over there.
Well, we just come through the entrance to Hampstead Heath Station. Good evening, Jacob.
Hello.
Well, hello again, everyone. We are back at, we are in Hampstead Heath.
At Hampstead Heath, yeah.
On the overground. We're going to try and catch some overground trains on camera for you. And
oh, here we go.
Welcome to the vlog.
The next overground train to Clapham Junction will be arriving in about 40 minutes, and then half an hour, and then 43 minutes.
Might it be best to go down to that end of the platform of this platform here, so we don't get that lady on camera?
No, here's alright. Over there, it looks like
I'm a bit worried.
There's a shop. There's a shop here. Oh, there's a shelter over there. Hold on. Yeah, over there.
Very, very cold.
And there's 2 more on platform 2 over there. And there's a bike stand over there on the platform as well.
This is platform 1,
Westbound platform, yeah. I like this tree.
Can you smell that burning, Jacob?
Yeah, I like these palm trees they've got here at the station. It gives it a nice look. I like this on the wall, mate.
Is that burning?
I like this. They've got. Hey, Harry, do you like this paint? Harry, do you like this painting on the wall? That's whoever's done this. I like it.
Well, it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful to me.
It makes makes the station lighten up a bit. Yeah, it's a bit burning, isn't it? Oh wait, sorry, it's not 2. There's 1 big waiting shelter, and then it's a bit weird. I've never seen a bicycle rack inside the station before.
There's two waiting shelters. One's that small one, and then there's that big one over there.
Yeah, it's the smaller one. Currently at Hampstead Heath. There's a bush that's, it looks like it's dying here, and there's another one here. Oh, I don't know what that stuff is over there. What's that stuff in over there behind the gates or fence or whatever? Don't know what that's for.
I don't know. Maybe it's just some planks of wood.
It looks like plant stuff to me. And up there we've got some block of flats. Some more block of flats or house over there. These are either blocks of flats or house over here as well. I don't know. Did there used to be an abandoned platform for Hampstead? Sorry?
No, there never used to be an abandoned platform here.
I liked here for Royal Free Hospital.
But the one thing that's cool is that they've got these overhead pylons.
Most overground stations do.
Not all of them, but
Well, most of them.
Not all of them.
I mean, Of Holloway does, but they've got more because they're a bigger station. Oh, this one's going to Clapham Junction.
It's going to be on this side.
This side. Huh. I swear it's coming early, hasn't it? What time did it say that announcement was for?
It's good. It's going to be the 1836.
Oh, it sounds like it's coming like 5 minutes early then, because it's now 1831.
No, it'll be here in about 1 minute.
Okay, well, in about 4 minutes then. I mean, that's what it sounds like to me. Wait, stop. I'm trying to listen.
See it coming.
Get this on camera. Yeah, yeah. The time is now 18:32. It's
incoming. We've got our first train going to
Clapham
Clapham
Junction.
Junction.
It's coming like 4 minutes early. Well, 5 minutes to be precise.
The train now approaching platform 1 is the 1834
Oh, 34 service. Sorry. So it's coming like about 2 minutes between 4 minutes early, something like that. Although it's kind of a good thing though because it's New Year's Eve, so. This train probably won't leave for another minute or two because it's coming like 4 minutes early. I mean, the announcement was made it's 18:31, so it's definitely 4 minutes early. It's closing now. Well, off goes the 18:34 service on time now to Clapham Junction. And at the same time, got another overground train going to Gosford Oak. Harry, this one's going to Gosford Oak! Right enough, this one goes to Gosford Oak. Walking with it as it leaves. I thought it was supposed to be suspended from Gosford Oak, but it says it's going to Gosford Oak.
Well, it's going to Gospel Oak now. It's going that way.
Oh, well, yeah, hold on. Oh, yeah, because that's the last stop, isn't it? Because of the suspended, that is about right. New shortly. Right, as you can probably hear, guys, up the track is the 18:46 service to Clapham Junction. The time is currently like.
train now approaching platform
Oh.
is the 1849
Oh, sorry, 49 service, sorry.
service to
Well, it's coming like 3 minutes early. The time is now. Yeah, it's coming like 3 minutes early, guys. And it comes. And this one's going to Clapham Junction. And at the same time,
Sorry, mate, we're just filming. Alright.
Yeah,
we're just filming.
train spotting. What? Yeah. Goes below.
off the Clapham Junction. And he's off the Clapham Junction.
Yeah. And at the same time off he goes to Clapham Junction. And off this one, this one's coming for Gospel Oak. Off at these, trying to catch up with it. Continue shortly. We're now just getting onto the other side, guys. Just getting my bag.
Jacob, be careful.
Yeah, I know. Thanks, mate. Just walking up the steps now. As Harry warned, they are fairly slippery-ish. They've got access
It would have been best if
to the lift here.
stood filming up from up here.
No, we can't. The thing's too tall. It's in the way.
And then like holding your camera up like this.
No, it's not worth it, mate. It's too cold. It wasn't too cold.
In the Kentish Train video.
Yeah. We're now switching from trains to Stratford. Well, they terminated at Goswell Oak because of the reduced service. This is some of the tube map here.
So we're heading on to the eastbound platform now.
Eastbound platform 2.
Eastbound platform 2, and that's westbound over there.
And that's the main station entrance. The ticket barriers are. Just walking down the steps now. Have you noticed these steps are they're not straight, they're a bit curved.
Yeah,
You walk down them.
They are narrow.
So it could be a bit dangerous while walking down them, so take extra care, guys. Oh, here we go. The next train to Goswell Oak isn't for about 12 minutes. Continue shortly. Right, incoming now, guys, is the London Overground service coming in for Goswell Oak. Like I said before, there's a reduced service. No trains are going to Stratford because of some planned engineering works. And some other guy on the bus said like there was some other work going on at Camden Road for the footpath bridge or whatever. You can stop.
Why is it the driver's way,
I don't think you can see you with that bright light in the way.
it's a lady driver. No, it's a man. There's another one coming in as well. At the same time.
Oh crap. Well, this one's blocking the way. Oh, and here comes in the other service, for the other train for Clapham Junction. I'll turn over to the Clapham Junction service in a moment. Let's film this one leave. Doors are shut. Right, and off goes the London Overground service to Goswell Oak and Clapham Junction at the same time. And there goes the Clapham Junction service shortly afterwards. Right, there goes the Clapham Junction service. And there goes the Goverlock service at the other end. Continue shortly. In platform 2. That's how I can send this video out. I'm just leaving. There's a pigeon. Happy New Year, mate. There's a pigeon on the camera here. I was just saying Happy New Year to it. Thank you, mate. I can see the steps. Just leaving the station now, guys.
We might have time to come back to it later on, but we don't know yet.
Probably not. And there's another accessible lift over there as we're leaving. Oh, here we go. Planned landing overground line closure. Saturday the 26th December to the 3rd of January 2021. No service between Goswell, Oak and Stratford, but the trains are terminating at Stratford. This is due to bridge improvement works at Camden Road and Chalk Farm. A rail replacement bus service will run between Hampstead, Heath and Stratford. Alternatively, use local bus via a reasonable route to complete your journey. Route, visit tfl.gov.uk. Rail flung overground transport for London. Every journey matters. Just leaving now. Now just leaving Hampstead Heath Station. Just trying to get a good view of it. Leaving overground. Hampstead Heath. Right, now just walking to the bus stand. There's another shop here, but it's closed. And over there to the right is Hampstead Heath, across the road. Sorry about that, but I was just trying to close up my pocket. And there's a better shot of the Royal Free Hospital. Excuse me. Oh, there's a telephone box here, but it looks like it's trashed. Harry, get that on camera. No, this side.
There's a telephone box here.
There's some graffiti on it on this side here.
All over.
I'm not too sure about the other side.
What the fuck does that say?
You shouldn't say that, mate. You have to cut that part of the video. Oh, there's some more on this side, look. I don't know what this says, but there's some more on the top window. Yeah. Right, come. Oh, and on the bin, look. And the bin, look. The garden gate. Over here, guys, we've got the Garden Gate pub. Well, it's currently closed because of the Tier 4 lockdown we're in at the moment. So, unfortunately, guys, you can't go to the pub this year and celebrate New Year's Eve, as all the lights are off and everything. I mean, this is the way of government trying to control the pandemic by not letting people celebrate New Year's Eve. And now we got a 186. We've got a 186 going to Old Kent Road, Tesco. Old Kent Road, Tesco, yeah. Film it, Lee.
Followed by another one.
Oh, that one's putting it in as that one goes. Right, over here.
Get the ambulance on camera.
I've got it. And that's probably going to the hospital. And there goes the 168, sorry, to Old Kent Road, Tesco, up the road. Well, it's stopping at the Royal Free Hospital stop first. Oh, there are toilets here, but it looks like the gate's locked.
No one can get in.
No. This is the other bus stand over here, guys.
Well, the payment service.
And over there we have the rail replacement bus service, which is for the London Overground. I was talking about earlier. Some of the traffic here. So it's quite dangerous.
We've got a number 24 service going to Hampstead, Heath. Well, it's terminating here.
Well, it's terminating here, yeah. Let me zoom in on that. And there's the rail replacement bus service over there, and yeah, you're right, it's terminated here. Oh, it looks like the rail replacement bus service is ready to go back to Stratford. Or was it just pulling, it's pulling over a bit. It's not leaving just yet.
Not leaving just yet.
Let's go over here. See if any of these buses are gonna go. Okay. Is the 24 leaving? Oh, it looks like we got it looks like the 24 is leaving. We've still got the wrong destination on the front of the bus for now, unless it might pull into, I don't know, this bus stand over here or this one over here. I don't know. Just waiting to pull out safely.
Where's that bus going?
I don't know.
It's lost slope, and they're going to Camden Town.
I don't know. Let's cross the road. On at the same time, we've got a 46 going to Bart's Hospital. Bart. And it's probably gonna stop at the Royal Free Hospital. Or is it not?
Trust me, it will.
Oh no, it hasn't stopped.
No, it hasn't stopped.
So off it continues to Bart's Hospital. I don't know what's going on with this 24. Oh, here we go. It's leaving now. But I've no idea where it's going to.
Maybe it's going to do a run around.
No, I don't think so, mate. Off it goes to wherever it's going to.
Are your feet cold, mate?
No. Continue shortly. And over there, I think we've got a C11 going to Brent Cross. I think you might be right. It's just waiting to pull out.
Oh shit, that lorry's just overtaken it. Idiot.
Off it goes. It goes up the hill. There goes the rail replacement service. It's not gonna stop there because there's nowhere for it to park. It's gonna come out and then turn round here, I think. Yeah, it's doing the right. And it's gonna go back to Stratford, more than likely. And the bus stop for it is the one over there. Well, next to the 24. Come on. Here it goes. Here it comes. Rail replacement service. And at the same time, we've got a C11 going to Archway via Swiss Cottage. Just wait to cross the road. And off goes the rail replacement service to Stratford. And then comes the C11. Another rail replacement service terminated over here. We've got a fire engine. It's going up the hill. Harry, this one, C11. Oh, and at the same time, I think that's the same 24 Hampstead Heath bus from earlier, is it not? This is the same bus, isn't it, mate? Off goes to 24, terminating here, I think. And the C11 leaving at the same time. Back to the 24. Oh, it's turning into the bus stand over here. And it's going to park. Oh, it's parking to the side. Oh, there's another ambulance over here. I wonder if this one will go into the hospital.
Well, it looks like it.
Oh, it's not indicating left. Oh no! It's going up the hill.
He's heading up the hill.
Or she? We don't know.
We've got a 56 going to Bath Hospital.
Well, isn't that the other direction? I swear hasn't this one got the wrong destination on it?
It's got the wrong destination, mate.
I wonder do you know where this one's supposed to be going to?
It's supposed to be going back to Lancaster Gate.
Oh yeah. Shout out to the driver in the moment. Just waiting for the traffic to pass.
Change the line, you've got the wrong line, mate.
No, he can't hear us. Not yet. You mind out the way, mate, because people will think we'll want to cross the road.
You've got the wrong line, mate.
Got the wrong destination. Although I don't think he heard us. Here, I'll go and tell him. Yeah, mate, you've got the wrong destination. It doesn't say. It says Barts Hospital, not Lancaster Gate. You're supposed to be going back to Lancaster Gate, aren't you?
46.
Aren't you going to Lancaster Gate?
St. Bartholomew's Hospital.
What, Lancaster Gate's that way?
Yeah.
I thought that way was Lancaster Gate. Oh, okay, never mind. That's weird. Oh, okay, so Lancaster Gate's that way then.
Oh yeah, I thought it was that way, but
My mistake. And off goes the 46 to Barts Hospital.
off goes the 56.
Well, the correct way is this way now.
The 168.
Correct for the driver. Oh, and there's the 168 going to Old Kent Road. Yeah, up the road. Oh, it looks like we got another one coming here at the same time.
Terminating here.
And that stupid Mercedes car just decides to park in the middle of the road. Oh, now he's moving. Yeah, 168 is terminating here. And then it pulls into the other bus stand across the road. On the hill. Right, incoming now. We got the 24 going to. Where's this one going to again?
Well, he still hasn't changed the line.
No, it's doing it now. It's doing it now. I think he did. Yeah, hold on. Let's see. It's gonna go back to.
What? We're just filming buses.
Oh, it's going back to Pin. It's going to Pin. It's going to.
Fire engine.
Oh, it's supposed to be going to cross the road, but it says Pimlico. It says crossing the road, but it's going to Pimlico. So. Just trying to get a good view of the bus. It's supposed to be going to cross the road, but it says Pimlico. Well, I suppose it's more or less the same thing really. But off goes the 24 to Pimlico. Off it goes, round the corner. Yeah, we've got the
You may as well
I think it's the 46, but on the front it said it was.
get one more bus on camera and then rush out.
No, we can get a few more until our replacement bus comes in. It said this one wasn't in service, but I think it might be the 46.
There's a replacement bus service there now.
Well, it's not leaving just yet, but when it does, it'll go up this hill and then do a U-turn to the right and then come stop over there, which we'll go to later. Oh yeah, it's the 46. Off goes the 46 to Lancaster Gate. Sorry guys, it's the other way, not the other way like the driver confirmed earlier.
This is going to be our last bus for tonight.
And this is going to be our bus back to London. We'll wrap up in a moment. Let's get on the bus first.
So, as we wrap up, we're just going to quickly turn. Our next visit is Hampstead. So,
Southampton, yeah. Oh, we don't have to tap in, I forgot.
are you going to Southampton? Are you going to Southampton?
What do you say? Right, just about to wrap up. Please don't forget to like, turn on what share Sky. The next stop will probably be Southampton, so stay tuned. That's all. Alright, good night.